Imagine being able to look back in time, way back to when humans roamed the earth alongside mammoths, Neanderthals, and even the plague. What if I told you we could now read the DNA of our ancestors and extinct species, unlocking secrets hidden for thousands of years? Welcome to today's video. We're diving deep into one of the most groundbreaking fields of science, ancient DNA analysis. You won't believe the incredible discoveries scientists are making, and how they're completely reshaping our understanding of history. So, let's get started. How is ancient DNA rewriting human history, and what mind-blowing facts can we learn from it? Let's start with human evolution. For years, we've wondered about our connections to Neanderthals and other extinct species. Well, thanks to advances in DNA extraction, scientists have made some jaw-dropping discoveries. In 2010, researchers sequenced the genome of a Neanderthal from a fossil found in Siberia, 50,000 years old. And what they found shook the foundations of human history. Turns out modern humans still share about 1–2% of their DNA with Neanderthals. Yes, you heard that right. Some of your genes might be Neanderthal genes, but that's not all. Studies show that these Neanderthal genes contribute to immunity, hair color, and even how our bodies respond to diseases. Imagine, parts of your body are carrying the legacy of a species that lived thousands of years ago. And it doesn't stop with evolution. DNA is also unlocking ancient diseases. Let's talk about the Black Death. We've all heard of the deadly plague that ravaged Europe in the 14th century. But did you know that ancient DNA is revealing how it shaped human survival? In 2020, scientists sequenced the DNA of the Yersinia pestis bacteria from victims buried in mass graves in London. That's the bacterium responsible for the plague. But here's where it gets crazy. They found that a specific genetic mutation provided people with resistance to the plague. In fact, those with this mutation were significantly more likely to survive. So why is this important? This discovery isn't just about history. It's teaching us how humans have evolved to fight diseases over centuries. But what about the way our ancestors lived? Well, ancient DNA is answering that too. In 2019, a 24,000-year-old child's skeleton was discovered in Siberia. What makes this discovery so groundbreaking? The DNA shows that this child was closely related to the ancestors of Native Americans, offering a clearer view of the migration routes of early humans into the Americas. And it's not just about migration. In 2018, a 5,000-year-old burial site in Denmark was studied. The DNA of those buried there revealed that many of the individuals were closely related, showing us how social structures and family ties were central to Neolithic communities. But here's where it gets really fascinating. What if I told you scientists are using ancient DNA to potentially bring back extinct species? Yes, you heard that right. In 2021, researchers sequenced the genome of a woolly mammoth from 45,000-year-old tissue found frozen in Siberia. Now, scientists at Harvard University and the University of Toronto are working on using CRISPR gene editing to bring back this majestic creature. The plan? Insert mammoth DNA into modern elephants. Imagine woolly mammoths roaming the earth again. This could revolutionize conservation and help tackle climate change. So, what's next for ancient DNA? The possibilities are endless. As CRISPR gene editing and bioinformatics continue to evolve, we could unlock even more secrets about human evolution, health, and the species we've lost. Ancient DNA isn't just a tool for the past, it's a roadmap to the future. So, what do you think? Are we just scratching the surface of ancient DNA's potential? Or are we on the verge of changing history itself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more incredible stories from the world of science. The past is no longer a mystery, it's in our DNA. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering.